Let's solve this together. It says x divided by root of x is equal to 7. You're trying to solve for the value or values of x in this question, okay? Now, first things first, we can say, let us square both sides, okay? So we can say x divided by root of x squared is equal to 7 squared, which is 49, okay? Now, we have x squared, which is x squared. Root of x squared is what? Root of x squared is something as x is equal to 49, okay? Now at this point, you can say that x squared is equal to 49x, okay? So we're going to have x squared minus 49x to be equal to 0. From here we have x into x minus 49 is equal to 0. So we have is either that x is equal to 0 or so it's either that x is equal to 0 or x minus 49 is equal to 0, okay? Hence x is equal to 49 or 0. So this becomes the final answer of x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.